That wind is howling above the treetops. I got hit with a 70-mile-per-hour wind burst a while ago. Almost blew my eyeglasses off. But this mountain here is blocking the wind because the wind's coming from the other side of the mountain direction, northwest wind. And the trees are also breaking up some. So I haven't had too much problem. Got sand blasted a couple times with sand and gravel, but overall not too bad. Partly wanted to take some of this video just so you could hear the wind howling. I don't think it's as bad as they thought it was going to be. It's really dry, so they Xcel Energy shut the electricity off because they're afraid that if a power line got blown down and created a spark, it could start a wildfire. So, like we had a few years ago with the Marshall Fire. Give you a little look at the scenery around here. And turn into the east. Those are the suburbs of Denver down there. Arvada, Westminster, Thornton. And here's where we just came from. And I'm going to have to turn back before long due to fading light. Until next time, happy trails and adventures. This is where I felt the 70-mile-an-hour gust a while ago. I was sitting by that ponderosa pine taking a rest break. Whoa! Holy cow! That one pushed me. Holy mackerel! Oh, that was a good wind gust. Wow. That's insane. It's really hitting that ridge right there for some reason. Whew. Mercy. Almost pushed me over. Little snow left. And down the rock we go. gotta get hustling now to get back the dark time. Catch you next time.